Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all emails from one sender in your Gmail account really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to your Gmail inbox. And what you want to do here in your inbox is click on the search bar here at the top and type in the command from double dot. And after that, enter the email address of the sender you would like to delete the emails from. So let me go with that one here. Press enter. And that is going to filter out any emails you have received so far from the given address. Or from that sender. So what you want to do in the final step is click on the checkbox here in the top left to select all emails you've received from that sender so far in your inbox, and confirm by clicking on the trash icon here to delete all of these selected emails. And repeat that as often as you like to delete these emails from that sender in bulk. So click on that checkbox here, confirm by clicking on the trash icon here to delete the next batch, and so on and so forth, guys. Continue and repeat that as often as needed till you have deleted all emails from that one sender and cleaned up your inbox on Gmail. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.